So let's look at Prince 2. The second topic is about the themes in this tutorial. So Prince 2 organizes project management activities into 7 themes, and these themes represent aspects of project management that need to be addressed throughout the project lifecycle. So the point is it has 7 themes, and this has to be applied throughout the life cycle of the project. So let's get into deeper into this topic. So business case theme focuses on justifying the project from financial and strategic perspective. It ensures that the project remains aligned with the organization's objectives and that there is a compelling reason to undertake it. So the business case defines the expected benefits, costs, and risks and feasibility of the project. So business case is the project has to be profitable and it has to meet the customer's requirements. So that's what is talked about here. And it ensures that the project remains aligned with the organization. So our organization will have a purpose and a goal and objective, and this business case has to be satisfied, or this work has to be satisfied. So that is the point of this business case, and focuses on justifying the project from financial and strategic perspective. So if by financially it should be profitable, and it perspective wise it should be matching to the company's objectives. And the organization theme defines the project structure, roles and responsibilities, and it clarifies who is involved in the project, their roles, reporting lines, and decision making. This theme ensures that the project team is well defined and that everyone understands their responsibilities. So the quality theme addresses the quality management aspect of the project, and it involves defining quality criteria, standards, and methods for ensuring that the project deliverables meet required quality standards. So the quality assurance and the quality control activities are carried throughout the project to ensure quality is maintained. So it's all the issues with quality is contained in the quality theme, and the deliverables has to meet a specific quality, and the quality assurance and quality control activities are carried out throughout the project. All these are managed in the quality theme. Then plans theme focuses on planning and scheduling activities to deliver the project objectives. It ensures creating various types of plans such as project plan, stage plan, team plans, and planning activities include defining objectives, estimating resources, and scheduling tasks, and identifying dependencies. So these are basically all the planning activities comes in the planning plans theme. So that's how it is split in Prince 2. So risk theme involves identifying, assessing, managing the risks throughout the project lifecycle, and it aims at proactively identifying the potential threats or opportunities that may impact the project objectives. So the risk management activities include risk identification, analysis, response planning, and monitoring. All the issues with risk is in the risk theme. And change theme addresses the management of change within the project. It involves assessing, controlling changes to the project scope, objectives, requirements, and plans. And change management activities include change identification, impact analysis, approval, and implementation. So all the issues with changes are done in the change theme. And finally, the progress theme focuses on monitoring and controlling of the project's performance against plan, and it involves tracking the progress of the project, identifying variances, and taking corrective actions to keep the project on track. So progress monitoring includes reporting, reviewing, and forecasting the project performance metrics such as time and cost and quality. So progress, how quality control, monitoring and control, and tracking, everything is done in the progress team.